name is Ahja King, and I am here with the Deschutes County Library System, bringing you a recipe that is quick and easy and really simple and just in time for fall. It's an apple crumble bar. It's like a cross between an apple pie and a bar cookie. I'm going to show you how to do it. Simple. First, you heat your oven to 350. You line a baking dish with some parchment paper, not wax paper, parchment paper. And here's your ingredients. We have 1 cup of oats. We've got a cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a little 1/4 teaspoon salt. We have our melted butter, 2/3 of a cup, and a can of apple pie filling. Now here's what's fun. You can use any kind of pie filling. I've done it with strawberry, peach, blueberry. You can do it with any pie filling. It makes it super fun and you can just customize it to your taste. So here you go, quick and easy. We put the dry ingredients together. So I'm just gonna put the flour in here with the oats and the sugar and the salt and the cinnamon. And then we are gonna take a handy dandy spatula. And we're just gonna mix this all together. Really simple. And then drizzle the melted butter over it. You are gonna want your butter to be melted but cool. You don't want it to be too hot. This is actually a really great cookie to make with kids because there's no real chopping. There's no real, it's not hard. You can just dump it all together and let them mix away and it's kind of fun. Okay, we're gonna get that in there and really mix it up nicely. It's gonna be kind of crumbly, but not really dry. It's just gonna be, I don't know, like crumbly sand, I guess? No, not really sand. I'll show you. Watch. You just keep mixing till all the dry ingredients are a little bit wet. Dude, doesn't take very long. Once you get it to where all the ingredients in this bowl are basically wet, you can even use your hands for this, like if you want to. If you want to just get in there, you can use your hands. All right, so we've got that. We're gonna take about 2/3 of this and put it into our parchment lined pan. There we go, about like that. We're gonna save the rest. I'm gonna take, you want a flat bottom, something with a flat bottom, right? It can be anything, a cup, a spoon, whatever. And you just kind of press this down in. You wanna get all the way to the edges. Press it down until you get a nice even layer. Sorry, that was loud. Okay, press it down in there. Okay. Once you have that in, you take your can of pie mix, and you just open this up, and you just dump it in. Get it all out. Oops, they're stuck. Okay. Oh, there's more stuck in there. We'll use this. There we go. All right, get that in there. Spread it all around to the edges. If you feel like it, you can chop these up a little bit, like before you put it on, but I don't even bother. I just make sure they kind of spread out like that. Get them all the way out there. Okay, and then once you've got that smoothed down, you take the leftover that you have here, we just crumble it right on top. And you want this to kind of be loose. You don't want to pack it down. So just kind of make it nice and light crumbles. There you go. Well, there you go, just like that. Literally that simple. Pop this into the oven and bake for about 30 to 35 minutes. What you want is the tops to just start to be browning a little bit, and you want everything to be a little bit bubbly. And then you take it out of the oven, let it cool, and cut it into bars and eat it. It's fantastic. I'm gonna get it in the oven and I'll show you how it looks. 40 minutes later. Bubbly, toasty, yummy. It's done, it's cool. We're gonna get it out of the pan. This is why we use the paper, because how easy is that? And then you just take it, you peel it down a little bit. And I like big, healthy squares. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Big square. Look at that. Yum. Apple pie in a bar. Woo woo. Yum.